right, guys, what we got in here for you today, 2021 Volkswagen VW GLI 2.0 Turbo. As you guys can see, really beautiful black on white with red stripe. That's cool. I like that. I guess it's the red line. I don't know. Anyways, what we got done on it for you guys is got factory converter up there, a secondary over here, then a huge resonator in the middle. Then we got 2 1/4 pipe all the way back, and we did a rear muffler delete there and there, and reuse his stock tips right there and right there. There's his the 2 mufflers we cut off, and you got to put 2 hangers on it on each side too. There it is after. Much prettier, much nicer. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe if you like our work. And sharing is caring, like I always say. So make sure you guys share these videos. Get us out and about everywhere and anywhere. There it is. It's quiet. That resonator's got to go. There's sound decibels. That didn't do anything. Grab the guy for me. There's nothing. Look. The motor's still louder than the exhaust. Let's see what he thinks. We'll be back. You heard it before. This is round 2. VW GLI, red line. I call it red line because it's got the red line. I don't know if they do that too, but still looks cool. So what we did now, left the converters on it, did a resonator delete also, and then left all the original piping, and the muffler delete we just did 5 minutes ago, there and there. And there's the stock tips, there and there. There's a huge, massive resonator. Straight through design, but it's huge. It's bigger than the mufflers almost, as you guys can see. There it is. There it is after. Before, after. So now we'll let you guys hear it again. Hopefully we'll get some more sound. It was like 82 decibels. Blacked out lights he did on those too. That looks so cool. Go ahead. Much better. Now it's actually got some sound. That's better. That's perfect. Now it's got up to 97, so it'll probably be about 101 when it's all said and done. Perfect. GLI. That's so much better. You couldn't hear it before. Look at that little bite. I like it. That sounds really good. Let you guys hear on the inside. Got a really nice interior too in it. Check it out, guys. '21 VW GLI. He says it's quick, so go get you guys one and test drive it. I bet you it's pretty fast. Back it up like that. I like it. I like that one. It's nice. They really stepped up their game on them. They look good. Here it is idle. I love slander, man. Stick shift.